Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can build a simple WordPress website like this one. So as you can see, it's a pretty good looking website and you can simply change any details by here, and let's go start making this website. First of all, you need to visit wordpress.com and click login, and here you can log in by email address or username, or you can simply log in with Google or continue with Apple. After logging in, you can see it says you don't have any WordPress site yet. Would you like to create one? So click on create site, and here you can name your website. So I'm going to name it to how to Wi-Fi, and you can change later if you want. And here you can choose a domain name for your website. So I'm going to choose this one because it's free, and if you choose one of these you need to pay for it. So I'm going to use free one. Click continue, and here you can choose a design for your website. So you can choose any design and you can change later if you want. So let's go with this one. Here you can pick a font for your website and you can change it later anytime you want. Let's go with this one. Click continue, and here you can show the preview that how it's going to look like on tablet and mobile version. So it's looking good. Use this one. Click continue, and here you can add some features to your website. You can add custom domain, you can add store, and if you add any one of these you need to pay for it. But if you want to use free, you don't need to choose anyone, and click skip for now. And here you can select a plan for your website, and if you want to use a free one you can simply scroll down and select this one, and it's building your site. As you can see, our website is here and you can edit anything you want. Click skip, and here you can change the text if you want, or let's suppose we want to change the text right here. View our videos, and it is that easy. If you want to change the image, background image, you can simply click here and click replace, and here you can select one of these options. I'm going with this one, and here you can choose one of these if you want. Let's choose this one and see how it's gonna look like. And it it is this one, and let's change it was before, and this looks pretty good. And here you can change some, just set the default one or set the bottom waves, or you can fix background. It will not move. As you can see, it's fixed, but if you uncheck this one it will move with the scroll. Or you can select repeated background, but don't use this one. And you can pick a pointer that in the fixed background, or you can pick a pointer that which point of the pic you want to show, and scroll down. If you want to change the alignment of the images, you can simply click the image, and by here you can change the alignment. And if you want to add a new section to the website, you can simply click on the plus icon and you can add a blog, and you can add one of these options. You can add a gallery, you can add an image. Let's add a new image, and you can upload your own image or select the image. So I'm going to select image, and let's add this one. And here you can see it's added. But if you want to remove a block, you can simply click on the block and click here and go to remove block, and it will be gone. So that's how you can simply make changes to your website. You can add the details, you can change the details you want, and after making all the changing you have to simply click here update, and you can open this a new tab to see how it looks. So as you can see, our changes are right here. So if you want to add a website logo and add website pages, you have to simply click on the customize, and there you can add a website logo. Go to site identity, and here you can create a logo or select a logo. So I'm going to select a logo for my website. So here you can drop your files. I have uploaded a logo, and here you can add alt text or change the title, add captions and description. And after putting all the details, you have to simply click on select, and here you can crop the image if you want, but if you want the default size, you can skip cropping. Here it is. Our logo has been added. Now if you want to add a tagline for your website title, you can simply add here, add tagline, and it will be shown right here. But if you want to unshow these two items, you can simply uncheck this one, and it will be gone, and it's look clean. So I'm going to use this style, and you can go back, and if you want to change the website colors, you can simply do it by here. And if you want to replace the white color, you have to simply click on white, and here you can pick a color. As you can see, it's changing. So that's how you can pick a color for your website. So if you want to, let's change another color. Let's change this one, and if you click here, you can change the color right here, and as you can see, it's changing. So click save changes and go back, and go to menus, go to primary, and here you can add a page to your website. Click on add items, and here you can add a page to your website. Let's add a blog page, a contact page, and about page. So as you can see, the pages are added right here. Click to save changes and go back, and if you want to add a blog page for your website, you can simply click here on page setting, and here you have to select a post page for your website. I'm going to choose a blog page, and it will set all the posts redirected to the blog page. So whenever we add a post, it will be shown in the blog page. So let's add a new post and see how it works. So to add a new post, you have to go to WordPress admin panel, and you can go by simply right here and slash wp admin, and here you can see we have access our WordPress admin panel, and here you need to go to post and add new, and here from the WordPress admin panel you can change the website theme, you can add new pages, and you can do whatever you want. And here you can add a title for your post. So I'm going to add a title. Let's post test post, and here I'm going to add like the video, and that's it. And if you want to add an image for your blog, you can simply click here and set image from here, and here you can add an image for your blog. Let's add this one, insert, and after putting all the information for your post, and you can simply change some details right here. You can stick the top of the blog, and you can change the author, and you can add the permalinks, you can add categories, you can add tags. And after making a full-fledged post, you have to simply click on publish and publish, and you can add this a new tab, open in a new tab, and here you can see here is our test post. And if you go to the home section and scroll down, and it's not here, and if you want to show your post right here, you have to simply go click on edit and scroll down, and let's show our post right here and click add, and here you can search for post or browse all, and here search for post. Here you can see blog post, click here, and here you can see our post will be shown here. Click update and view page, scroll down, and here you can see here are our blog posts, and all the posts will be shown right here. And that's how you can make your website in free and easy way. And after putting all the details, all the information, if you want to launch your site, you can simply click on launch site, and it again asks for domain, that you want to go with the free one or you want to choose a .com domain or whatever you want. So let's skip purchase and go with the free one, and here don't select any plan and click here start with the free website. And here it is, our website is live. To view your site, you have to click on visit site. So as you can see, our website is now live, so you can change any details at any time you want. So that's all for now. Like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.